I'm Wes. Today we have a fun job. We're making some heavy-duty hangers. So these heavy-duty hangers are made out of flat steel that we've had laser cut. So these flat steel parts still need a fixture in order to get them accurate. Now fixturing tends to be a challenge for all welding. So what we've done for that fixturing is we've gone to flat cut steel for the fixture as well. So we can take this, we can hook them together with other flat steel parts, and we're able to produce a three-dimensional fixture with great accuracy, which allows us to take our flat pattern parts, index them in, and have the robot weld them all up. It's fast, it's accurate, it's a great solution. All right, so now we've seen what we can do, let's load up the fixtures and weld some parts. So now we have some parts loaded, let's teach the robot some welds. So to do that, we're going to grab the handle, we'll come down here, teach our first weld point. And that's it, that's our first weld. Finished parts. There you have it, parts welded with blaze welding. Try out some laser cut fixtures on your next job.